So after a whole heap of water flowed under the bridge, it appears that talented Bayer Leverkusen forward Leon Bailey is finally set to represent the Reggae Boys. We don't know the reasons for the change of heart, or if the conditions were met, or if the JFF bowed, or it was Craig Butler who bowed. It don't really matter. If the objective was to get one of the top young players in the world who is a born and bred Jamaican to represent Jamaica, all is well that ends well. The emotions and the egos and the pettiness and the likes and dislikes aside, Leon Bailey can only improve the stocks of Jamaica's football. With his sheer technical quality and profile, Bailey could be that standout star that local football so desperately needs. That drawing card that could lead the marketing campaign of the national program and inspire a new generation of young local players. For me, this was always about the football and not about the political correctness of Craig Butler or the politics of Mr. Michael Ricketts. This was always about getting a good and valuable Jamaican player, an asset to play his part in the advancement of Jamaica's football. And we can only keep our fingers crossed that things will remain stable and that the border will sooner rather than later than the black, green and gold and represent. Hold on. Who this? Who this? Yes, Craig. Craig Butler, what go on, yeah, man, we just have to go. Where is it? You change your mind? No, Craig, man, no.